name's Amanda Heck. I go to Summit Middle School in Fort Wayne, Indiana. For my science fair project, I decided to do an experiment about income versus water. I decided to do this because I recently learned a lot about the Flint, Michigan water crisis. And since Flint, Michigan was in a lower income area, I wondered if low income areas have more toxins than higher income areas. My question was, does lower income areas have more toxins and toxicities than higher income areas? My hypothesis was, if I test water in lower income areas, it will have more toxins and toxicities than if I test water in higher income areas. To test my hypothesis, I collected water from 7 different high schools in Fort Wayne that are on the Three Rivers filtration plant. I gathered 3 water bottles from drinking fountains at 7 high schools in the common area of the gym. With my test, my independent variable was the location of the high schools. My dependent variable was the level or amounts of toxins in the drinking water. My controls were all the schools received the water from the Three Rivers filtration plant. I collected the same amount of water from each school. I tested the water in the same type of container. I tested the water at room temperature, and I used the same brand of testing strip for each of the high schools. I compared the data from the schools against the control of Dasani water. I based my information on the free and reduced lunch data. I determined which schools were higher or lower income. After I collected my data, I determined there was no significant relationship between a school's income and toxicity of their water. I did end up with 2 positive lead tests. These were from Northrop and Wayne. Because of the positive lead test, I decided to test it multiple more times so I wouldn't accuse the school of having lead even if they did not. And all the tests continued to turn out positive. While my hypothesis was incorrect from the research, I did conclude that the schools with positive lead tests were older and had recently been remodeled or were in construction. In fact, one of the schools, Northrop, was under construction at that time when I collected my samples. Also, while almost all the schools tested high phosphoric acid, it was not a concern because since the levels were nowhere near harmful levels that could harm humans. Moving forward with my experiment, I would like to collect waters from different areas, not just Fort Wayne. I would like to test it from different things that were not schools, and I would like to get a sample from the Three Rivers filtration plant for my control. Thank you.